Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I do some important math of straight line. Although this chapter I have discussed its formula in my previous class, please follow Sarvashish Pal class teaching 1. These maths are very important not only 11 classes also for joint enters. Please listen it carefully, and I also give its solve paper to Google Drive. Please see that. Now my first math. The equations of the sides of triangle are y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x and x equal to 0. Prove that its area equal to half c1 minus c2 whole square by m1 minus m2. Now let that is y equal to m1x plus c1 equal to 1 and y equal to m2x plus c2, number 2 equation, and x equal to 0, number 3 equation. From 1 and 2, after calculation we get the coordinate c1 minus c2 by m2 minus m1, and from this and 3 we get this, from this and this we get this, and from this and this we get this, these 3 coordinate. Now what will be the area? This is y equal to m1x plus c1 and this is y equal to m2x plus c2, that is c1 and that is c2. So this is c1 minus c2 in this triangle. This is the triangle, and this is x, suppose. So the area of the triangle half x1, this is x1, half x1 y2 minus y3. From where we get the x1? From solving this we get this is x1, okay, and y2 minus y1, that is c1 minus c2. So the area will be half into x1 y2 minus y3, so half c1 minus c2 into by m2 minus m1 into c1 minus c2. From this we get half c1 minus c2 whole square by m2 minus m1. Number 2. Derive the condition to be imposed on 0 beta should be on or inside the triangle formed by y plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, 3y minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0, and 4y plus x minus 14 equal to 0. From this the condition 0 beta. So at first we draw the triangle with intercepted form. This is one triangle, y plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, okay, and this is one triangle, and this is one side, and this is one side, this is y axis. So here cutting 0, 5 by 2 after intersecting form of this straight line, and after intercepting form of this straight line, this cut 0 7/2. Hence, now let the equation of the sides BC, CA and AB of ABC be this, and this, respectively shown in the figure. To see the figure, it must be cleared that the point 0 beta must be point on y-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. So this must be point this and this. On the triangle it is 0 5 2, and on the another triangle beta will be 7/2, and on one side of the triangle beta 5/2. So to see the figure, it must be clear that the point 0 beta lies on or inside the triangle ABC. The value of beta between this 5/3 is greater than equal to beta is less than equal to 7/2. Okay. Now my third math. A variable straight line drawn through the point of intersection of the line this and this meets the coordinate axis A and B, so that the locus of the middle point of AB of the curve is this. Very interesting math. Here, suppose this is one straight line and this is another straight line. Okay, this is one straight line and this is another straight line. So from the point of intersection, suppose this is the point of intersection. No, this is, suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Suppose this is one straight line and this is another straight line, and from this point, suppose this is the straight line, this cut here A and here B, then the midpoint. Here we get only one midpoint. After this straight line here and this straight line here, and if draw their point of intersection, there will be, we get another midpoint. In this way we get 1000 and 1000 and 1000 midpoint. After joining, it means the locus of the point will be this. So at first we know the any straight line which cut the two straight line will be first the this plus k into this. From this we calculating and we get the intercepted form of this. Then we get the coordinate of AB equal to A means which cut x-axis AB into 1 plus k by B plus AK 0, and B equal to 0 comma AB 1 plus k by k plus AB, and then the midpoint of this and midpoint of this we get 1/2x. 2x means x equal to the midpoint of this. Here x is the movable point, so midpoint of this by 2. Hence we 1/2x 1/2y. After cutting this we get here space is very minimum, that's why we calculate, we here step, we jump some step. After 1 by 2x jump step, we get 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2y equal to a plus b by ab, and then after multiplication we get 2xy a plus b into is equal to ab xy. This math also written in my paper which I submitted in Google Drive. Please see it minutely. There I also give the figure. Please see it minutely, and there also I give to home tasks. Please do it. Okay, thank you so much.